Hey guys, what is going on? It is Grimlock13 here. I am back for another video. Now this is my second attempt because my first attempt I was using my phone to try and record, and like, you know how that thing is. A lot of you guys know how it is. It is a piece of crap. I hate it a lot. I would take a flip phone over this thing, but I am using my tablet now, which should make it a lot easier to record without having any, like, breakups in between. And also, the story is, like, about this is Ratchet and Clank 1, alright? Now, I sort of been thinking about it. When I started this series, I did something really stupid. I started with the second game, and I always skipped all the cutscenes. You guys had no idea what was going on. Well, most of you had no idea what's going on. And heck, you probably didn't even see the first game, so you don't even know who the characters are. So that's why I've decided to start with the first game. I have a new save file, right? Whoops. What did I just... I have a new save file. Everything is empty. I didn't delete anything. I just had to use a different memory card. So, let's just start with the first one. And my PlayStation is old. My PS2 is old, so it might be a little noisy.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
This is me right here. Like, I would complete a thing, but then I don't have the last... I don't, like, have the last, whatchamacallit to finish it. What's happening? Oh, man. Makes it out alive. Conveniently placed spaceship right there. Just like any cliche movie or game. Uh-oh. And yet he makes it out unharmed. Alright, now let's just start off.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk.
Ah.
We're here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travel. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron Corporation.
Also, I said in like the first video that I made that my L1 button is broken. I was able to get a new controller, so there's no need for anybody to worry about that. I know you guys probably don't care, but this really helps me out a lot. Actually, never mind, it doesn't. Well, I mean, it could. Now, I'm not going to be skipping any cutscenes at all. Here, alright. Oh, dang. Okay, I'll stop right here. Sorry about that interruption. It seems to be... Whoops. Oh, I didn't know... I forgot that I had this. Sweet. But yeah, sorry for that interruption. It seems to be a common thing I say on this channel. Let's see now. Whoops. And if my friend, Just Kidding Dude 464 is watching this, this will bug him a lot. There you go. I really hate how little bolts are worth. I mean, literally.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle button.
Thank you. Let's just do that and do that. And then I just gotta... This map isn't really that long, so this shouldn't take too long, right? Right? Now, the thing different about the video that I am recording, I'm just going to keep recording. I'm not going to stop. And then when I'm going to edit the video, that is when I will split it up. So I might not, like...
Whenever you succeed injury, let gadget find a with nanotech system rebuild your body from the inside out.
Am I the only one that hears an inappropriate joke in what she just said? I'm sorry, I am just very immature, so don't judge me. But I really need all these. Yes. Give them all to me. Yeah. Okay, so... Can you, like, interact with any of this? No, you can't. Why is the, like, the controls in the first game are so difficult, like, from the second and the third game, or even the fourth game, and currently I have to stop again because of something. I will be right back. Sorry for the common interruptions. I do not want anything, whoops. I do not want anything to happen in the middle of me making this video. What in the freaking... I have never noticed this before. Well, let's just, Oh my gosh, this is so simple.
To use your arm glove, press the circle button to equip it.
I didn't know that. I totally haven't used this all the way here. Ah, shoot. Yeah. Yeah, you like my glove? It fits like a glove. Insert romantic music here. I need so much bolts. Sweet. Ah! There we go. Let's see now. What's going to happen here? Yay! He then conveniently turns on.
Interesting. You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system.
James Allen Taylor sounds a lot younger.
That fellow.
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Now let's watch what's
Hello,
happening.
citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here.
Oh my god.
But I, Chairman Dredd, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your wily, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
Thank God he didn't swear. This is a family-friendly channel.
Planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this info box, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems.
Really?
My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Or we can wait for them to get out of their ship.
Deal.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
That guy looks familiar to me. I don't know about you guys.
Great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
Ouch.
You got a name?
My serial number is B54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing you.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat. You need.
You have now officially worn out your welcome
Meh.
and my patience.
That's a double whammy.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
I feel bad for that guy.
Wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No. It's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
I love how this guy, instead of saying I'll take over a planet, I will destroy many of them to create my own. I love how I have to make a comment after everything. Also, there's no way a ship that big will make an explosion that small.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well,
Whoa.
not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
Well, we sort of have to if we want to continue the story.